Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today's a very exciting day on Medling World.
Yes.
We have made official a Medling World Friends Cruise.
Yes.
How's it going to work out? The details now. It's booked. Come on in. Check it out. Yes, it's a very exciting day for us, Roberta.
Yeah.
We had just booked a Medling World Friends Cruise.
A lot of people have been asking us.
Lots of people were asking over the last several months about, hey, you know,
if you will do it or not. Yes.
Thank you to every single person who has subscribed and has found us through our cruise vlogs.
Yes.
People asked, so we said, you know what? Let's just have a Medling World's Friends Cruise. Let's see what happens. Maybe nobody shows up. Maybe 100 people show up. We don't know what's going to happen.
Yes.
But we did book it. We're excited about it. I think it's going to be fun. We're going to be celebrating Jake's birthday.
Yes.
And our achievement of over 10,000 subscribers on Medling World. Roberta, why don't you get into where we're going to be going?
So we changed a little bit since the last time. Since the last vlog we made about this cruise. So we decided to do Royal Caribbean, Wonder of the Seas. We've never done the Wonder of the Seas.
Oasis class.
Oasis class ship, which we are very excited about it.
I love Oasis class.
Oasis class ships.
Especially Wonder, that looks great.
It's going to be Port of Miami. It's not our favorite port, but I think that was the one that worked for us. Yes.
But it worked out.
It worked out very good, yes. So it's going to be, again, we're celebrating also Jake's birthday.
Yeah.
And it's going to be from September 1st to September 5th.
Yep, September 1st, which is Labor Day.
Labor Day.
So it's a Monday through Friday.
Monday through Friday cruise, yes.
Starts on the holiday.
Yes.
Roberta, talk about the itinerary. Where are we going? What's going on?
Yeah, so, embarkation day as we're leaving Miami. And then day 2, we're going to be in a Perfect Day, Coco Cay.
I love that island.
Yeah.
Oh, and the second day, yes, right in the beginning of the cruise.
Yes. And then day 3, it's going to be cruising. Day 4, it's going to be Nassau, Bahamas.
And then back to Miami.
And back to Miami on a Friday morning. So, yes. So, this time, we booked... So, actually, a friend of ours, Patricia, she is a travel agent in here. And we normally book through Brazil, but this time, we decided to book with our friend, Patricia. I will leave her information in the description of this video. You know, it's up to you how we're going to book it.
If you want to come along, you have to
I'm just letting you know that who we book with.
Yeah.
And I'm going to put her information on it.
We always book directly through Royal. This is the first time we've ever used a travel agent.
Correct.
Here in the United States.
It was a good deal. And again, deals change all the time. So check.
Yeah, we got it actually a little bit cheaper than the actual official price through Royal, and then we had some other promotions for credits in your room and different little things.
But again, it depends on...
It's going to vary, when you book it.
When you book it and wherever you are, what kind of
different
discounts
rooms.
you have. So,
talk about our room.
Our room, it is... so we booked the guarantee balcony, which is one of the neighbors for us.
Neighborhood balcony.
It could be the Central Park, or could be Boardwalk. We are
Not the
fine with
minimum.
you. Yes.
That or better.
So we do not know what kind of what assignment room we have because we did not pick this time.
Yeah, we're gonna
but it was a
just let
good
Royal
deal
pick
for
it.
us.
Yeah,
so
you save some money when you do it that way. If I know a lot of people like to be in certain places. That's fine.
It's fine. Yeah.
For us, we just want to get on a ship. We want to have some fun with Medling World friends.
Exactly. So we book it, and it's going to be one of the neighbors.
Yeah.
And it's like the guarantee. So it could be that.
There's lots of options. When you go on it, or if you need some help with it, you can look for the information with Patricia. Yeah. She'd be more than glad to help you guys.
Correct. And
it's our first time doing this.
Yeah, with the travel agency here in the United States. But we're excited about it.
Oh yeah. We need some help though.
Correct. We need some help. So for the cruise, we're trying to figure out maybe a Facebook group.
Yeah.
That we're gonna do it.
Matter of fact, we're not talking over each other in a rude way. This is how we make our vlogs. If you know, you know. If not, somebody's gonna say, "Hey, why are you guys so rude to each other?"
We're not rude.
We love each other. We're a husband and wife.
We're not being rude to each other.
Listen, we need some help though with I've never done anything like this in my life.
Yeah,
we're just regular. We picked up a camera one day and made a vlog and said, "Wow, this is fun. I love doing this." And it's working out.
Yeah.
We're up over 10,000. So this is very new to us.
Correct.
But we want it to be fun.
Yeah.
The reason why we want to have a friends cruise is because we love meeting people that watch our channel, and people ask for it.
Correct.
So I believe
Yeah.
When I say that's a friend that I only know through our channel by communicating through messages from the channel and Facebook. I believe volunteered to make a Facebook. I'm calling you out, But we need somebody to help with a Facebook page for our. We can make it a private page or something. I don't know. You join the page or whatever.
Yes.
Need an administrator.
Yeah. So
all that stuff that I don't know how to do.
Yeah. So
we can use that to communicate.
But again, in the meantime, you guys can always send message through Instagram or
Medling World Instagram is always trying to build that up too
on a video as well. But
or right here in the comments is always good.
Keep eyes on the community post that initially until we have that page. We're gonna maybe put a couple posts out, and then maybe we can send messages. But we're gonna try our best to answer all the messages, in the next couple weeks or so. Then we can try to get this together.
We wouldn't need to have an idea who's gonna come on this cruise. Who's is it gonna work out? Because that's the nervous part. Hey, people want to go.
We're gonna go. It's like
we're gonna go either way. It's open. That's why we call it a friends cruise.
Correct.
It's not a group cruise. It's not a viewer cruise. It's a friends cruise. Even though it's for viewers and but it's the terminology I think we like.
So
we're all friends.
We're gonna go. We're gonna be celebrating Jake's birthday, and you are very welcome to join us.
Oh yeah, Jake's birthday. We're gonna And who doesn't love Jake on Medling World, man?
So we're gonna be just celebrating Jake's birthday, and I get everybody welcome to join us. And I think we're gonna be able to have a little bit like after we have a Facebook group, if we have enough interest on it, then we can
make some plans of where you guys want to hang. You know how we vlog. If you're watching this, the reason you're watching is because you like Medling World and the way we cruise. We're kind of freestyle cruisers, right? We kind of you watch our videos. Okay, this is what's going on. We plan certain things, of course, but we kind of just do the things we like when we want to, right? Yeah. And that's how we cruise. That's why we love Royal, because we actually have the My Time dining. But maybe we can get, if we all show up there, hey, who wants to go to dinner? We're going to go at this time. If you have 12 people show, okay, you're going to get us in. This is the things we got to figure out.
Correct, yes.
But I think it's going to be fun. Oh, we're going to go to this show tonight. You want to go to ice skating?
Correct.
Or maybe we can go ice skating together.
Yes.
Let's
see how it goes.
We're just going to have fun.
Correct.
We're going to have a load of fun.
And also, again, you still do whatever you want to do in a cruise. It's like, that's why it's like you want to hang out like for a couple hours.
But that's what's great about an Oasis class ship. Because I already have in my mind Vitality Cafe.
Yes.
I believe it's deck 6, I think. I gotta remember, but that is the cafe as you enter into the gym, and they have all the smoothies and all that. I love that.
And again, we just booked, so we officially booked.
We just booked, so we officially booked. But I want to thank everybody that has, especially on Medling World Instagram. That's starting to build up a little bit. And lots of messages, excitement about the cruise. Thank you. In the comments on our videos about, hey, when's your cruise? So to me, that made me feel like, we need to do this. I think people really are interested. And that is an amazing feeling that you enjoy watching Medling World, you enjoy our son, and you would love to go cruising with us. Who wouldn't want to have that opportunity?
Yes.
Am I a little nervous? Yeah.
But let's see how it goes, and then I think we're gonna brainstorm a little bit more about like when we have our group and
I think the big thing is really getting some kind of way we can communicate easier. I'm only limited with the knowledge of technology. I was born in the 70s, man. We used to write things down. I'm not good with that. I know you are, but you're so busy with a lot of things.
Yeah, especially with the Epic. If you haven't seen our Epic video, go check it out.
Roberta is working crazy right now with Epic. I work over at Publix, but I'm more close with home, so I have more opportunity to answer those questions, those messages and comments.
Yes.
We work together on everything we do.
Yeah.
But right now, I think a Facebook group or something. Please help somebody. I'm calling you out.
Sorry. Okay.
And I think what's really fun about this, what I'm really excited about, is people that send me messages. I don't know them.
Yes.
I know you from talking to you,
like
but then when I can say, oh yeah, I remember,
Yeah.
because I have met certain people that say, hey, so that's the fun part about a friend's cruise.
Yes.
That's what it's for. It's for me to see you.
Yeah, exactly.
Because you're watching us on the camera, you kind of know us.
And I appreciate you guys coming. Even like some friends, actually at Epic, it came over and say hi to me.
It's great.
Even though Epic's not open yet, but like some family that from Epic team members
love to share our adventures, and it means everything to us.
Correct.
That when we make a video and people really enjoy that,
yes.
and why not? I mean, let's have fun with a cruise.
Correct. Yes.
I can't. I mean, I don't know. My mind is what's going to happen?
Yeah,
we're going to go either way.
But we're going to have fun, and you
course.
guys are welcome to come. And
please join us.
Yes.
Help us figure this all out with some comments in this video.
And let's see how
trying
it's
to think
going to
what
come
else
out.
is going on. What else is going on with this?
No, but we don't know about excursions yet. We do not know about.
We just booked it. Literally,
we just booked it. So
literally
we want
right
to let you guys know this is what's coming, and probably I don't know. Maybe we have another update video, or maybe we're just communicate with
That's why I think that's what we're trying to figure out, because making videos like this are great to announce it, but do we always want to make a video every time we have to talk about going on the Friends Cruise? I think between now and September, of course, we'll have one or two more of those. Yeah. Because we want to bring awareness to it and excitement to it. But to like make little plans and things, we can't just make video every time. We need a way to communicate with all of us that are going to go.
Yeah. So
we'll figure it out.
More information to come, but that's the plan right now. So.
And we have a few exciting things coming up on Medling World this week. Another resort stay.
Another resort stay.
I promise we didn't forget about Disney, but we might have forgot it a little bit this week again. No, we're really enjoying some of, right now, what's hot, Roberta?
Correct. Yes.
Epic. People want to know a lot about Universal in general right now.
What's going on.
And believe me, we love Disney. We love I love Disney resorts.
We love Disney, yes.
But we will, usually I don't say, but I'm not going to say the resort, but we will be staying at another Universal resort this week. We will really want to share... So people can get excited about Epic.
And it's a lot coming up.
And where you can stay and how all of it will work. So we're going to share another resort.
Correct, we have Celebration Car Show coming up.
We have Celebration Car Show coming up. We've done that the last time. So I want to do that again. It's something local. We like to do local things. Jake loves it. Yeah.
And like there's,
a couple other things.
But exciting.
We always like to fill in everybody what's going on. But man, Roberta, can you believe? Like, I never thought ever in my life that we'd make and get 10,000. Never mind, we're gonna keep going, of course. But we are truly grateful.
Yes,
like
to
me, it's so awesome because remember the first time we made a video.
Yeah.
She remembers me. I was like, I love this. This is fun. It's like I should have been doing this my whole life. Yeah. But we love it, and we're so thankful. We really are. Guys, let's have some fun on a Medling World
Cruise.
Friends Cruise.
Yes. So that's it. So, let us know, if you have any ideas or anything like that.
Yeah, we're going to have a good time.
As soon as we have more updates on details about the thing, we keep in a community post, or we're going to answer the comments, so keep eyes on it.
We'll share, like, all the things that will be coming up on it and all the fun as we progress through this fun time. Guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!